Hello everyone, I want to talk about something special here, and today I will talk about two sentences. The first sentence is beautiful face is not important, but beautiful heart is very important. And the second thing is great things never come from comfort zone. Great things never come from comfort zones. So let's explain this sentence. Beautiful face is not important, but beautiful heart is very important. Yes, there are so many persons around us, those who are deserving beautiful face, but their word and their promise, their work, their activities is not good, totally not good. When they speak lie. When they do something, they do with wrong, and they make mistakes, and their activities is totally not helpful or suitable for the society, above all the country. And they always do something what is good for themselves and what is very worthy for themselves. They don't care anybody, and they do not do anything for the country and for the people. They always try to busy with themselves, and they remain always busy only for themselves. They are self-centered and they don't care anybody. That is why we can say beautiful face is not important, but beautiful heart is very important. There are some people also around us, those who are not looking good, but their heart is so much good. They are always helping people, and when they do anything, they do the right thing, they do the correct thing to help the people. And when they say anything, they say the real thing. They never lie, and they don't care anybody to express the truth. Actually, they are good human being, and they do always good activities in our country, above all in our society. So we can say again very easily that a beautiful face is not important, but beautiful heart is very important. When you notice that something is fallen on the road, the beautiful face person may capture this as his belongings, but the beautiful heart person will take it, and he will announce to who's these things, and he tries to always to find out the person who already lost it. Let's we go to the next sentence, and the next sentence is great things will never come from comfort zones. Yes, the great things means great works, great achievement. We can very easily success. Yes, it's not an easy task to gain or to achieve overnight. Great things never comes from our comfort zones. We'll always try to live in our comfort zone, but our comfort zone is very harmful for us. We cannot realize it instantly, but we can realize it gradually when you grow up day by day. We always want to feel happiness, and we always want to keep ourselves in a comfort zone. But comfort zone is totally against of our great things. Yes, against our great things. We want to achieve great things overnight. We want to achieve great things very quickly, very fast, but it's not an easy task if you want to gain great things. First of all, there are many people who are very much talented, who are very genius, but they are leaving their comfort zone, and they don't think about something extra differently, because they think we are already in our zone, and we are already in a certain positions, but we have no enough time to think differently extra. That's why they want to always live in their comfort zone. It's making themselves lazy, and it's making themselves inactive day by day gradually. That's why the sentence is said that great things never come from comfort zones. And now in the last part of my video, I wanna say the sentence again. Beautiful face is not important, but beautiful heart is very important. And the great things will never come from comfort zone. Thank you so much. See you next. Bye bye.